the video. You are watching phones.ua with me, Kashmir. Today we are going to talk about Nokia 6310i. Yes, talking about 6310i, we can say 6310i is a different kind of a variant because the look itself resembles to a very different kind of a version out there. It was very early 2000 model out there. Yes, very early 2000 model out there, and it weighs approximately more than 100 grams. And if we have to be very specified, then it weighs around 111 grams. So it was the heavy weighted phone out there back when it was released. The type or the screening, if we talk about that, then it was a back lift full graphics display. This was not a monographic, we will say, a different kind of a graphics out there, because this kind of graphics could be not seen in today's time out there. If you talk about this variant, then it has got a screen size which is absolutely different. We can't say exactly the screen size, but it was approximately more than 1.4 inches. Yes, approximately 1.4 was the entire size of the phone. Expandability was seen, and you can save up to 500 entries. Yes, 500 entries could be saved out there. And when we talk about this variant, we can say that you can save not just 500 entries, but if we talk about numbers, then it was approximately 1500 numbers. Yes, one name can save up to 3 numbers. Yes, you can save one name by 3 numbers out there. Now talking about this variant, it has got good quality that it can save up to 150 text messages, 10 voice dials out there, calendar notes of approximately 250. No camera was seen out back when there was early models of Nokia out there, but these were quite different out there. These give a normal mobile phones which give a look or a feel when we had a handset at home. Yes, at home when we have these handsets. You will not see any kind of specifications like 3.1 jack. You will not see the loudspeakers out there. Like, no much specifications for there. So it could be said that this was a drawback to this variant out there. We can say that you will get to see clock, alarm languages in Hindi, and mostly European and Asian languages could also be seen out there. Voice record was there. There were a lot of things which can be done because Bluetooth was there, so data transfer was also possible out there. Now talking about the battery life, we can say that 1000 mAh battery life can last up to 16 days. That is a standby out here. Whereas if we talk about the talk time of this variant, then it gives you approximately 5 hours talk time. Yes, approximately 5 hours talk time can be seen out there. Now let us talk about this variant and the site where it is available out, because these kind of variants are not available on every site because this is a very early 2000 model. And talking about this model out here, we have got a site for you. The site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, the site name is phonezone.ae. And when we talk about this site, you get to see there's a category all mobile phones, which helps you to locate, identify, search n number of gadgets from these reputed companies. And now let us talk about the gadget we are talking about, that is Nokia model out here. We are talking about the Nokia 36310i. So the results are out, and if we talk about the results, then we can see a description box which has all the specifications written out there. Yes, you will get to see all the specifications, and you will also get to see there is a condition written refurbished condition out there. So let us talk about refurbished condition and know how is it different from brand new, and check whether the refurbished products are good to invest or not. So let us know about this condition. Talking about refurbished products and brand new products, we can say they are quite similar out there. Yes, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, like if we talk about refurbished products and when we talk about brand new products, they're quite similar. Why they are similar? Because we can say that the refurbished product is an extension to brand new. Like if we talk about the stages of this, then we can say brand new has a stage like company, the original base out there, who has introduced a new phone or new gadget out in the market. Then it comes to the market. Yes, any agency, marketplace, retailers, anything, that's the market out there. Then it goes to the users, the consumer out there. So this is brand new. Now extension to it becomes like the user already has that gadget. Now that's the gadget has been used out, now that person does not want that, then it is again given back to the market. It's not the reverse, it's the frontal market. It can be back also, but it's usually the frontal we say. So the market has it. Now this market tests, verifies, everything is like absolutely repacked and we can say it's like new, like not refurbished, we can say absolutely newly like. When it passes all the tests, then it is classified as refurbished and the condition is named as refurbished. Now this refurbished product is again launched on the sites, on their specified sites where they have already pre-owned it, and then the user have this. Yes, then the new user uses it. This is known as refurbished. So we can say the extension from the user to user is known as refurbished products, or we can say this is the extension of brand new in this category. Now, when we talk about the similarities, we can say they have similarities in the parameters also. Like parameters which include in this are like the display out there, the buttons intactness, the colorization, the storage capacity, camera, video, audio, SIM recognition, connectivities out there, the data wiping out there, the accelerometer, proximeters out there, gyroscope out there. If it has loudspeakers, then how is it working? Charger, charging capacity, everything, whichever thing it is, like the operating system, processor out there, every kind of specification we read about a gadget, they have to be tested. And there are approximately 29 major parameters which have sub parameters also, how they are classified, how they are checked. So there are almost 29 parameters. When we talk about these 29 parameters, they have to pass each and every parameter to become certified. If it fails in one parameter, then the product is disqualified, or we can say is discontinued, or is not launched on the site out there. Now, when we are talking about this variant, when we are talking about this version out there, we can say that this kind of variants are quite good in quality. They have been tested out, they have been checked out every time, their quality is checked, so that it is absolutely renewed. Now, when we talk about this product, refurbished product, we can say that these products offers you a good quality, good service out there, so that it becomes a building block to you for people who cannot, at that time, cannot see their favorite gadgets in their pocket, but now can see. Now, when we talk about the advantages of having a refurbished product over a brand new, we can say that refurbished products offers you a savings. Yes, it offers you savings out there. How it offers you savings, we already know that brand new products are highly expensive out there when it's released. But when we talk about refurbished products, they are quite pocketable. Yes, these are quite pocketable. So when we compare the pricing out there, there is a slight difference in the pricing. So you can save, really you can save up to 15 or 70, like you get to save a good amount of money. When we talk about the warranty period, yes, it is actually seen when we own a pre-owned phone, then the warranty period is not given out there. But there are sites which offers you 6 months warranty period, and this sites offer you 6 months warranty period out too. As well as you get to have 70 exchange policy. As we see in the brand new products, we have 1 year warranty and a few days replacement and guarantee out there. Same happens with it. 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy could be seen out there. Now talking about this variant, now talking about this version out there, we can say that this variant is available out on our website. And so let us once again see the website first. Yes, let us once again see the website and check out whether these things are available on the site or not. So I have highlighted the name. The name has been highlighted, which you can Google. That is phoneson.ae, or you can go in the description box and see the link. I already told you that this site offers you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. So you can see that it offers you 6 months warranty, 7 exchange policy out here. Addition to this, you get to see COD and free shipping also. Yes, COD and free shipping is also there. Shipping की बात करें, if we talk about shipping, then it takes around 48 hours for most of the parts of UAE, whereas it might take up to a week for Saudi. Yes, Saudi it might take up to a week. Now talking about the products, they are 100% original products, and not just that, you get to see n number of gadgets from the n reputed brands. Yes, if you see the list, there are reputed brands out here. This site, this search icon have an option for you to search a specified gadget out there. Yes, you can search a specified gadget out there. So for the best pricing, do visit out the website or call on our helpline number. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.